In the meantime, there is, alam mo, ang tama o mali. Mamili ka lang dyan eh. Sa buhay na ito, tama o mali. Dalawa lang. So, mamili ka, tama o mali. Tama ka, then you please God. Criminal ka, then God is not happy with you. And maybe He will send you to hell. Pero sabihin mo yung predestination, that pagkatao mo, that's I think it's a Calvinist theory of, na pagkatao mo, there is that a foregone conclusion na no. That's what makes God unique, because He made a very unique creation. Yung conscience. Ayaw ng God magawa ng robot. He has no use for it.
Meron tayong choice meron.
Masabihin niya, bakit niya create yung paradise, si Adam at si Eve? Those are the dynamics which is left better answered kung ilibing na tayo. We can never fathom the mystery of life and death in this. There is no one sure formula of solving that kind of problem. These are the imponderables na hindi mo talaga mako. You'll go crazy if you just keep on thinking. But prayers and just being good, not really very good, but dito ka lang sa tama. Do not go about abusing your fellow men, killing them, just because the irony of it all is all of us, whatever religion, isang lang talaga ang Diyos. We believe in one supreme being that's given. If it's a question of life and religion, given na yan. In the meantime, there is, alam mo, ang tama o mali. Mamili ka lang dyan eh. Sa buhay na ito, tama o mali. Dalawa lang. So, mamili ka, tama o mali. Tama ka, then you please God.